Hello and welcome to my, finding out about Loom. So this is my second video. I've discovered that the video is in a circle as opposed to the Screencastify square or rectangle that you can move and create. I don't seem to be able to resize the circle on my own. I've got a choice of large, medium, which pops down here and I can move it around, or small. I also got these options here to either hide the menu or open the menu. I can cancel the recording, pause the recording, or finish. Okay, that's it. I don't seem to have any drawing tools at all. And yeah, so that's really it for the actual recording side. I can move this around, which is fine. But I'm now going to show you what happens when the video finishes. So as soon as I clicked finish, this button down here, it took me off to this web page. Now I can see the kind of main things here are I can rewatch the video in this player here. I can rewind for 5 seconds, go forward 5 seconds, adjust the volume. I know how long the video is. I can increase the speed that we're watching it at. I'm a fan of that, that's good. I can put it into theatre mode to make the video a little bit bigger. I'm going to have to move this now. And I can put it in a pop-out for down here and adjust the size of the video. And I can make it full screen as well. Okay. I can also, it appears I can send an emoji as well with it. So I can put a... At that point, if I go forward, just put a love heart here, you see the emojis appear. I'm presuming that is for people reacting as students, possibly. If we come over here, I can copy the link, and if I copy that link, let's just incognito, paste that in, you'll see that you don't need to log in. And it just gives you this screen here. So it's called Google because that's the web page I was on. My name, the date it was uploaded, total views 0. I can play it, and I can... Yes, these are for the students. The emojis. Oh, cool. That's something that Screencastify doesn't do. So I like that. That is good. We can get reactions. We can share it and we can download it as well. I think you can turn that off. So this is the student view right here. I've also got... in my settings over on the right, so we can copy, we can change the privacy from link sharing to public, so anyone can see it. I'm going to keep it on link just now. So if I was creating a video for my Google Classroom, I'd set it to link, so anyone with the link can view. I can invite people, and I can add a password as well, so they'd have to type in the password to view the video. I like that, that's good. We can edit the video, so let's go to more settings. So we can add comments, yes, we want that. Comment, email notifications, I don't want email notifications. We can use the emoji reactions, I like that, that's good. Animated thumbnail GIF, use this setting for all videos, so that will be when you hover your mouse over the video, when you're kind of choosing videos to watch it, then before it plays in, it'll play a short GIF of some point in the video, so you can see kind of what happens. You can use the Loom branded player. I don't know what that does. Guess we'll find out another time. Viewers can download. Let's turn that off. We don't want that. And show analytics to viewer. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. So we can hit save. Cool. We can trim the video. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it's just a simple trimmer. That's fine. Return to video. We can put a call to action. Now this is something that Screencastify does not do. It's similar to the adding information to YouTube clips. You know, you get the wee kind of click here buttons that appear, so you can do a call to action. So I could type in follow this link, and then they've got a URL there, and you can change the color and text color. That's pretty cool. And we can change the style as well. Pretty cool. That is something that Screencastify does not do. I like that. And you can put a custom thumbnail as well. We can change the title here to second vid tryout there we go. By me on today's date. Download, duplicate, delete, or share. No views, and I think this is kind of comments and things that happen throughout. Oh, we can create a post as well. Next one. So that's really the basics of Loom. It appears to save everything into a kind of your Loom folder. It doesn't seem to work with Google Drive like Screencastify does, and the videos are limited to 720p, which is not ideal. But for students to use, that is absolutely fine. That's more than plenty. If they're sending in their reactions or talking through their learning, that's plenty. So yes, I found the pricing. We've got the basic, which is free. You go over there. There we go. Basic is free. That's everything we did, apart from the cost to action. Cost you £5 a month. Move over. There you go. You get a drawing tool as well, and custom recording dimensions. You get the business, which is £15 a month, and enterprise dollars a month, $45 a month. So for $60 a year, what's that? Maybe like £50, £45, £50. That's a lot more than Screencastify, and you're not getting as much. But the free one, it's not too bad at all, not too shabby. So something to think about. But another wee update, I found my videos up here, and so I can see all the videos that I've tried out now. So you can see my second try out when I did it on Google to start with, and finding the pricing. So now we'll have 4 videos joining into this one. We appear to be able to link these, to tick them. I can create a public folder for people to find things. I've also got Careers desktop app. I'm on Chromebook, so that's not going to work. They've got a blog as well. What's this one notification? Someone reacted to Google. Was that me? Possibly me. Yeah, people only with the link, so yeah, must be me. Let's go back. Or no, it opened up a new tab. Okay, so yeah, this is, I guess, the equivalent to sharing to your Google Drive, and you could just share the link from here. I mean, personally, I prefer the Google Drive just because it's easier to keep everything all together. But I might be able to try something new. Again, it's the 720p that holds me back. If this was saving in even 1080, that would be fine. 4K would be amazing, but 1080 would be fine. But yeah, so let me know what you think.